We'll try to sharpen this Ikea knife in X15 CR15 MOV. This is, I think, the same exact steel that Victorinox also uses in their knives. The Victorinox heat treat is probably better than this because I feel that this dulls faster probably than Victorinox, marginally. I'm not sure how much this cost me. I think around 500, 600. This is not very expensive. Maximum 1000. I'm not sure exactly how much it was. Studied. Let's ruin that edge. This is a Sharpal 220 600 diamond stone. I've sharpened one knife on it till now. No, this is the edge is completely ruined now. I think we might have a very small burr all the way. So what I know, this is only the second knife I'm sharpening on this stone. What I noticed is it feels very smooth for a 220. First of all, it started off very coarse. The sound it made was very very coarse when it started. But after I sharpened one knife, this D2 knife, it now feels much. It feels finer, much finer than before. But it does cut steel very fast. So that's it. We're just trying to flip the bar. I think we managed to already do it. Almost. Let's take a few more passages. Yep, looks good. Using very less force now. Just the weight of the knife. Not bad. Feels pretty sharp actually. Let's see. Much better than before. For a 200 grit stone, this is not bad at all. A very aggressive edge. This will be perfect to slice tomatoes and all that. You can just drop it and use it as it is.